Hey, good morning. What's up? Now, it may not be morning where you are, but hey, what's good? I hope you're doing all right. It is your chiropractor in real life, and I am really on my way to work in real life. Just like you do. Just like you go to work, except for all y'all remote folks crying about having to go back to work, huh? Sorry for you, but COVID's over, boo. Y'all back in the office like us, sweetie. As a healthcare provider, we never took off. Never. In the state of Virginia, where I practice, we were closed for 2 weeks during COVID, where they tried to figure out what it actually was and what the guidelines were. And in the office that I was working at the time, we took an extra week just to sort of figure things out for the office. But baby, we've been in this office. We've been dealing with traffic. We've been dealing with parking, all that jazz. So as much as I would like to empathize with y'all, especially our federal government people, y'all getting no sympathy over here. I'm for real. Like, we have been back to work, and y'all got to stay at home, which is cool. I'm not a hater, but y'all really making a big deal about going back to work and traffic and parking. Like, what? If y'all carry y'all butts back to work like the rest of us, y'all gotta pick other battles. A big battle that I would pick, that I would like really protest and get in the streets and make picket signs and chant slogans and mottos and all that, would be about the state of taxes in our country. And that's a cause I could get behind. Let's talk about the government taking our money, a lot of it, and using it for whatever they want to use it for without asking us how we want the money spent. How about that? Let's have a conversation and some protests over that. Y'all be protesting about the wrong stuff, in my opinion, like stuff that don't even matter, non-issues. But I digress. Yeah, we all back to work now. So hop in your cozy car, your Uber, your Subway. Let's get that money, okay? Let's get it. Let's do what we're being paid to do. All right, but anyways, yeah, so it's Saturday. I'm super excited. I love Saturdays. I don't necessarily love working on Saturdays, but hey, that's what it is. But the good thing about me having to work on a Saturday is that I only have to work a half a day, so thank the Lord. I might see the first patient at 9. The last patient is scheduled at 12:30, which means I'm walking out of there around like 1 something on Saturdays, which is nice. Yesterday we got a little mini snow event, so there's snow everywhere. It's completely beautiful. It's gorgeous. My birthday is on Tuesday, and I've been saying that I want snow for my birthday, and it looks like I'm going to get it. I usually get what I want, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, anyways, today I have about 3 new patients. 4 new patients. 1, 2, I think 3 of them are like Groupon patients. For like the last couple of years, I've just had this Groupon special to help new patients or help people be able to afford the care. That was my way of, looking out for people, but it's gotten kind of out of hand. So, and I'm not feeling it. I'm not really seeing a benefit. So, some of the people are just, it's not worth it. So, yeah, I shut that down. So this week, I think today's the last day I'm going to be seeing Groupon people. Which would be great. And I'm just going to get people feeling better today. That's the goal. I want everybody to feel good when they leave my presence, when they leave my office. I want them to feel stronger. I want them to feel less, i.e. no pain. That's my goal. My goal is to reduce people's pain, to lift their spirits, to help them feel better physically in their bodies and mentally in their bodies. And hopefully I can accomplish that goal. What's your goal for today, this beautiful Saturday, if it is Saturday? I guess it doesn't matter if it is Saturday, but what are you doing right now? How are you approaching your day today? Let me hear it. Comment at the bottom of the video. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. All right, so you can see more about what a chiropractor like myself does in real life. I'm not in the office yet, but I'm about to get there. I'm gonna chill for the rest of the day after I get out of this jank. All right, so please pay attention to the road. Hope you're having a good day wherever you are, and I'll holler at you soon. Bye.